We'll guide you through how to turn off the microphone on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on an iPhone, and so what you want to do is go and turn off the microphone. There are different ways in which this can be done, depending upon the situation, so make sure it's full guide and we're going to guide you through how you can go about this. So you may have noticed you've got the orange light at the top here, or you may have not, it doesn't matter whether you currently have it or not as well. If you do have it, you can go and drag down in the top right to open the control center and you can go and see the microphone is currently being used for something. So in this case, it says accessibility. For you, it may go and say certain app. If it isn't showing anything, but you still want to turn it off, we'll guide you through that as well. Do keep watching. So if it's currently with a specific app and you want to go and stop it, what you can do is you can go and swipe up on it, and that's likely is showing because the app's currently using the microphone. So to go and stop it, from the app switcher, you can go and find it and you can go and swipe up on the app to go and close it, and that should go and stop the microphone. But we can also go and turn off access for the microphone for the app as well, so it won't be able to go and use it. And you may want to go and do this anyway. And if you've got to go and turn it off for accessibility, we're going to cover that as well. So let's go and open up settings like so. So if you're finding it's for accessibility and you're seeing this icon, we'll turn that off first, and I'll then show you how you can go and turn it off for apps in a moment. So what we can do is we can come down and go and find accessibility. Then you can go and scroll down and you want to go and find vocal shortcuts here, and you want to go and turn it off. And that will then make the icon disappear. But don't worry, as I said, we can still go and turn it off for apps. If you struggle to find vocal shortcuts, you can always use the search bar. I'll tap on it and type in vocal shortcuts, and you can tap on it, and there's a switch. You can go and turn it off there. But if you want to go and turn it off for apps, then what you can do is you can go and scroll down, and you can go and find privacy and security. And in here, you can then scroll down and you can go and find microphone just here. You can tap on it and you can then go and turn it off for the app you want to. So I could turn it off for Instagram, Snapchat, and you can go and do it for the apps you want to. So that's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again soon with another how-to.